In this video, we're quickly gonna go through whether to choose Instagram or Instagram Organic for your brands on replient.ai. In onboarding, you can see that you can choose between Instagram connection and Instagram Organic connection. So what's the difference? In 90% of the cases, you should select Instagram as your connection. Because when you have a Meta Business Suite account and you have connected your Instagram to your Meta Business Suite, and you have connected your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite, you're gonna select Instagram, because then you're gonna be redirected to Facebook directly, log in with your Facebook credentials, and then you can connect your Instagram page. In this case, we're gonna be able to fetch all your ad comments, so comments that were written under your ads. You are not able to get ad comments with Instagram Organic. So this is something you should consider when connecting. Always choose Instagram. And if your page is not available via Instagram, then you can select to choose Instagram Organic. And we're gonna go through how to connect Instagram Organic. If you need to check how to connect Instagram, please check the previous video. And yeah, Instagram Organic, you can choose if you're a professional account, if you're an influencer or something like this, then you could just click on Instagram, accept all the policies, and then you'll be redirected to Instagram directly instead of Facebook, and can log in with your just username and password there, and then you will be asked to grant all the permissions. In my case, I already did that, and you can just allow all accesses here. Then you will be redirected back to replient.ai and can connect your Instagram account. But please note, when you do this, you don't have any ad comments in your account. So please just make sure that this is what you want, and then you can also select the Instagram Organic connection. So this is the difference between Instagram and Instagram Organic. You can always later change it in your account settings if you want to switch between those integration methods. And yeah, just stay in the playlist for other information about replient.ai, and we're gonna go through the dashboard in the next video.